Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to close your Kabbage account securely. Now, whether you're no longer using Kabbage services or you found another funding option, here's how to close your account the right way. Step 1, pay off any outstanding loans. Now, before you close your account, you want to make sure that any outstanding loans or obligations with Kabbage are fully paid off. This is an important step to avoid complications in the future. Step 2, log into your Kabbage account. Now you gotta log into your Kabbage account on the Kabbage website. That's www.kabbage.com. And once you're logged into your account, that we move on to step 3, which is to contact Kabbage support. Now Kabbage doesn't have an automated button to close your account directly, so you're gonna need to reach out to their customer support team. You can contact them via the help center or the customer support phone number that's provided on their website. Step 4, request account closure. Now, once you're in touch with customer support, you want to request that they close your account. Now, they're going to guide you through any final steps or verifications. Step 5, confirm closure. Now, after your account is closed, make sure to confirm that with Kabbage that everything is settled. You also want to check for any final email confirming the closure of your account. And that's how you securely close your Kabbage accounts. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.